Hello everyone! Today, Nguyen Phat Tools channel is back to introduce a method that allows you to manage thousands of Facebook accounts at the same time. This is how I use MKT Care software to help manage all my Facebook accounts simultaneously. The first interface you'll see is the Account Management section. This section helps you manage all the Facebook accounts you own. As you can see on my screen, I currently own 1,459 Facebook accounts. Next is the Account Interaction section. This feature allows the accounts to behave like real users. They can perform actions like reading notifications, viewing comments, watching videos, and reviewing posts. There's also a Friend Interaction section, which includes activities such as liking friends' posts, sending friend requests, checking friend information, etc. In the Group Interaction section, accounts can join groups like posts and comments, or leave comments on posts, just like a real user. Additionally, the software supports fan page actions, such as liking a fan page, following it, or liking a specific post. Depending on your needs, you just click on the actions you want the accounts to perform. These are all automated actions that mimic human behavior on Facebook. Next is the Viral Marketing section. This lets you control all Facebook accounts to perform marketing actions such as sharing posts, sending and accepting friend requests, commenting, texting, joining groups, posting on timelines, posting in groups, and even seeding your own posts for engagement. To use all of these Facebook accounts effectively, you'll need to use the Account Information Conversion section. This feature allows you to change the avatar, cover photo, date of birth, hometown, and location. You can also update passwords, phone numbers, and email addresses. When you're operating a large number of accounts, Facebook may lock some of them due to suspicious activities. That's where the account unlocking feature comes in. The software can automatically unlock accounts. For example, it has unlocked 956 accounts via email, unlocked 282 accounts via phone number. There's also a feature to unlock email-locked accounts, which helps you recover accounts that were locked at the email verification stage. Now let's talk about the Content Marketing section. This helps you manage all your content, whether you're posting text, commenting in groups, or sharing photos. Now let's talk about the Content Marketing section. This helps you manage all your content, whether you're posting text, commenting in groups, or sharing photos. You can save pre-written content, add or edit it based on your strategy, and even attach images to posts. Let me demonstrate how it works. I'll start with the Account Interaction feature. First, I select the interaction script that I've prepared. Then, I select the Facebook accounts I want to activate. Once selected, I click Start, and all of the accounts will run based on the chosen script and perform the interactions automatically.